Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of your contact information on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So as you know, the contact information is in white color. However, you can go ahead and change this to different colors. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. So this is something similar to Google Play Store. Here you need to go ahead and search for Good Lock. Go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're looking for Lockstar. This will bring you to your Samsung S25 Ultra customization. Go ahead and tap on Lockstar and then go ahead and tap on Help Text. Now here you want to go ahead and make sure you show Help Text. You can go ahead and change the transparency and then you can go ahead and change the color. So choose your color, then tap Done. And now your color has been changed. So if you press Lock and you wake it up, you'll see your color change on your contact information. So there you go guys, that is how to change the color on your contact information for your lock screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.